Are you tired of the 9 to 5 grind, chasing pennies, and feeling like you're barely scraping by? What if I told you that right now, with just a laptop, a bit of know-how, and the right tools, you could start earning $100 or more a day? In this video, I'll take you through 5 of the best AI-powered side hustles that anyone can start today to make real cash. By the end, you'll know exactly how to leverage AI to earn passively and build an income stream from scratch. Let's get right into it. AI content writing for businesses. Let's kick things off with AI content writing. Businesses need fresh content every day, from blog posts to social media captions, but they don't always have the time or budget to hire a full-time writer. That's where you come in. Using AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper, you can offer content writing services without being a pro writer yourself. For instance, you could charge $25 per article or $10 per social media post. Create a package like 4 blog posts a month or 20 Instagram captions. If you line up a few clients, that $100 daily target becomes very realistic. The AI does the bulk of the writing. You just need to edit and polish it. Plus, businesses are willing to pay for quality, consistent content. And with AI tools, you can crank out high-quality work fast. Content writing is one of the easiest ways to start making money with AI right now. No overhead, no learning curve, just straight-up earning. Selling AI-generated designs on print-on-demand. Next up is something super creative and in-demand. Selling AI-generated designs on print-on-demand platforms. If you're not familiar, print-on-demand lets you upload designs, which are then printed on products, like t-shirts, mugs, or posters when someone buys them. The best part? You don't handle inventory or shipping. With tools like Midjourney and Canva, you can easily create unique and eye-catching designs, even if you're not a designer. For example, let's say you make a cool graphic t-shirt design using AI. You upload it to a site like Redbubble, Etsy, or Printful, and when it sells, you get a commission. AI-generated art is popular because it's unique and often has that wow factor. You can create a whole collection around specific themes, like motivational quotes, animals, or abstract art. Once your designs are up, they can sell passively, bringing in that extra $100 a day, especially if you build up a catalog. Plus, these platforms make it easy to get started, and the designs don't need to be perfect. What's important is that they're visually appealing and trendy. So if you have a creative streak or want to try something artistic, this AI side hustle could be your ticket. AI-driven social media management. Now, let's talk about something that's a goldmine in today's digital world. Social media management. Small businesses, influencers, and even individual professionals are looking to build their social media presence. But they don't always have the time to post consistently or think up content ideas. With AI, you can manage multiple social media accounts without spending hours brainstorming or scheduling posts. Tools like SocialBee, Buffer, and Hootsuite, combined with AI content generators like ChatGPT, make this easy. You can create a month's worth of engaging posts in one sitting and schedule them across platforms. You can even analyze what works best and improve engagement based on AI suggestions. Businesses are willing to pay $200 to $500 monthly for someone to handle their social media. Even if you only take on 2 or 3 clients, you're well over that $100 daily goal. And you don't have to be an expert. A little creativity and understanding of trending content go a long way. If you're consistent and proactive, you can turn this into a lucrative side gig that runs on AI. AI video editing and creation for YouTube channels. Have you noticed how popular YouTube and short-form videos have become? Everyone wants video content these days, but creating videos from scratch is time-consuming and requires editing skills. That's where AI video tools like InVideo, Pictory, and Synthesia come into play. These platforms allow you to generate and edit videos using AI, even without any experience in video editing. For example, you could offer a service to create YouTube videos or Instagram Reels for small businesses. You use AI to generate voiceovers, add text overlays, and even create animations. You charge per video, say $50 for a short promo or explainer video. With just 2 videos a day, you hit that $100 mark, and the demand for video content is massive. The best part? The AI does most of the work. You're just there to make minor tweaks and personalize the content. For those who love visual storytelling, but don't want the hassle of complex editing software, this side hustle is perfect. AI-powered online tutoring and course creation. Last but definitely not least, online tutoring and course creation. Teaching online has exploded in popularity, and now AI can help you create course materials or tutoring sessions with ease. With tools like ChatGPT and OpenAI, you can structure lesson plans, prepare quizzes, and create engaging content for learners. Think of it as a knowledge-based side hustle, where you're the guide, but AI handles the content generation. If you know a specific subject or skill, you can create an online course or even host one-on-one tutoring sessions. Charge $20 to $30 per lesson, and you're well on your way to that $100 a day. Parents, students, and lifelong learners are always looking for new ways to pick up knowledge online. By using AI to help structure and prepare materials, you're not just teaching, you're offering a polished, valuable service. And the best part, you can keep adding to your courses and building a portfolio that pays you passively over time. So there you have it, 5 AI side hustles that can easily bring in $100 a day. But here's that bonus tip I promised you. If you want to boost your earnings, consider combining 2 of these side hustles. For example, create a print-on-demand store with AI-generated design and promote it on social media as part of a management service. Or use AI to create course videos and offer them as part of a YouTube channel. By layering these ideas, you multiply your reach and your income potential. AI is transforming how we work, but it's also making it easier to create income streams on the side. So whether you're looking to save up for something special or just want some extra cash, there's never been a better time to jump into the world of AI side hustles. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more ways to make money with AI. And remember, these side hustles are just the beginning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.